Alright guys, welcome to Lion Toys Kids channel. We have this beautiful dog and her baby. I like it. As you see. Wow, they look real. Look at that. And they're wearing sweater and it says here 2016. Cool. And we have SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob. Alright. Hello, I am SpongeBob SquarePants. I want to show you my new car. Here's my new car. Alright, so hi SpongeBob, can you ride your new car? Yeah, sure, I can ride it. Look. Wow, SpongeBob, that car is cool. Ready, set, go. SpongeBob, that car is too small for you. SpongeBob, come back here. SpongeBob SquarePants. Yippee! Alright SpongeBob, can you show me your other car, please? Okay guys, I'm ready to show you my other new car. I'm ready to show it to you. Yay! Yippee! Hello guys, if you like my new car, give me the thumbs up. Okay? So hello my friend, I bought a new car. You wanna try it? Yes, sure, I would like to try your new car. Sounds good, let's do it. Okay, let's do it, show it to me. Alright, let's go. Wow, this car is amazing. I'm gonna try it right now. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Wow, yippee. Ready, set, go. Let me see, this door have a door? Okay, it doesn't open. Let me see, this one have a door. Yeah. Wait, this one is Hot Wheel. This one is Hot Wheel too. Right, yippee. Hello my friend. My friend just invited me to test drive his car. Do you want to test drive it? Yes, sure. I would like to try it. Thank you. Alright, so are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna try this one. You know what? I'm gonna race. Let's race. Hello my friend, you guys gonna race? Alright, so let's see who's gonna win. Okay. Ready, set, go. Whoa, this car won! Cool! Which one is your favorite? Is it this blue car or this orange car? If you like the orange car, let me know in the comment below. And if you like this car, let me know in the comment below. Right, just put it right here. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob. Hello, I am SpongeBob. Thank you for joining me today. Let's go. Dance, let's go dance. I am SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Bye. Bye bye.